Namaste everyone, welcome to PYF, Presha Yoga Fit, and I am Presha. Today we are going to talk about and get to know a little bit more about a breathing kriya, type of a pranayam called the Ujjayi breath. Now we practice this during movement and also during meditation. In order to understand this breath better, we can go forward with learning the technique of it, and there are different explanations as to how you can practice this breath. It is also called the ocean breathing. The name implies that it sounds like ocean when you're breathing in and breathing out. Now the breath that you take is only through the nose, so you inhale through the nose and you exhale through the nose. The trick is that we will be constricting the throat muscles, so the glottis is going to be constricted when we are breathing in and out. It's almost like how when we are sleeping in the night and we snore. It's like a snoring sound. Some explain it like that. The other explanations are that when you hold on to a mirror or you look at a glass and you want to clean the glass, then you fog the glass. In order to fog the glass, the action is so this is the exhale of Ujjayi breath. The only trick is that the same exhale will happen but with the mouth shut. The third kind of explanation is that it's like breathing in and breathing out when you're holding onto a straw in your mouth. So it's this rustling sound that you can hear of your breath. When you practice Ujjayi breath, the sound is audible to you and to anyone else in the space. Even if they are practicing with you, the sound of the breath would be prominent in the room. That sound of the breath is so calming and is so beautiful that the advantages of doing this kriya gives you a relief from various things that are bothering you. So stress, if you're going through a bad night's sleep, you've not been able to work properly the whole day, or you've had a very hectic day and you want to just calm yourself down, you want to center yourself, and you want to bring yourself at a space of feeling at ease, then this technique would help you to a great extent. So coming back to how we can understand this technique better and how we can practice it. Think of this, fogging a glass. So when we fog the glass, we have to exhale through the mouth like this, right? However, when we inhale, think of the same action but with the mouth open. So right? Now the same action but with your mouth shut. So the same action of inhale and exhale, that is fogging the glass, but with mouth shut, and then inhaling, exhaling through the nose. Let's try it. So this being the mirror, just showing it to you as a mirror, not my hand, just for demonstration. If we've understood this a little better, let's practice together a couple of times. I'm hoping that you'll be able to hear my breath, which in turn would resonate with you as to what I'm talking about, and you'll be able to practice this with me. Let's take 15 cycles of breath together. Okay? Sitting up straight, relax your shoulders, close your eyes, and let's begin. back to your normal breathing. And open your eyes. I hope that was helpful for you and you were able to practice with me these 15 cycles of breath. When you practice Ujjayi breath, you can take anywhere between 10 to 15 cycles to feel better from the situation that you're dealing with. You can also practice this Ujjayi breath when you're practicing asana, the yoga asana on the mat. It really helps you. It's like a cue for you to inhale and exhale, take the next pose, inhale, take the next pose coming up. So, great way to move with breath. Hoping that you're able to practice this and find calm and peace whenever it's required. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I will see you in the next video soon. Take care, friends. Bye.